Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and install the Rav4 logo emblem on the front of the vehicular transportation. This vehicular transportation is a 2010 Rav4. The collar is black and it has lights right there. The left light and the right light over there if you're in the driver's seat looking at you. So anyway, I'm going to use a plastic tool that you would use on a phone or whatever, but I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver. I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver, and this is how you remove this emblem. You want to be very careful. I already got it started. You shove this in there and you pull back little by little, and it should snap out. It'll snap out. See that? I will set my screwdriver down right now and watch out for the bird excrement. So then once we get that pop out, see how it pops out, the little plastic. There we go. That's how you take off the emblem. You see how there's 4 of them. There's 4 places for these grooves, these little divot plastic connector, or you see how the mechanics of it works? It slides in there and it stays in there. It pops. That's how you remove it. And to install it, you just put the things in the hole. There's more than 4. No, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You probably thought I was gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, but I did 1, 2, 3, 4. You got tricked right there. So that's how you remove it. This is how you install it. Line it all up, and it's going to be a little tricky. It's going to want to give you a little. See that? You just push it and it presses in and it's in. That's how you remove the emblem, and that's how you install it. I'll do it again. Maybe I'll do it with stick my finger through there. Nope. You're going to have to use something to go in here. You don't want to scratch it, but you want to pull it out just enough, like that. See how I got it started? You get it started. It's just like putting a tube on a tire. You get it started and just kind of work your way through. I'm going to put that back up there next to the bird excrement, and then we're going to pop this back off. It just pops right off. Look. See that? That's how it looks without the emblem. So I'm going to put that out like that. That's how you remove the emblem and install it on a Toyota Rav4. Let me, here we go. There. Ooh, that sounded nice. So that's how you remove it from there. This has been another Mad Human Pizza video. I hope you have a wonderful day here on planet Earth. This is our first planet of the human beings 1.0. We're still evolving from. We're human beings, just 1.0. We haven't modified ourselves to become 1.5 or 2.0 humans yet. I got a book I'm writing about that, about 90 pages in. I'm writing a book. It's called Humanoids on Planets. It'll be released sometime this year, probably later on this year. Couple hundred, probably. I'm gonna go for about 200-300 pages. But anyway, this is Mad Human Pizza. This is a Toyota Rav4, and that's the emblem. That's how you take it off. It's great, isn't it? See that? See how simple that was? And if this becomes cracked or broken or whatever, or something happens to it, that's how you take it off. And to put it back on, it is as simple as pushing it and giving a little wiggle a little bit, and it pops right on. See that? It only goes on one way because there's 3 divots on top and 1 on the bottom. So you can't turn it backwards or nothing like that. You can't mess that up. So this has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great time out there. No need to gossip or do silly things like that, or just be no need to be too nosy, and just keep to yourselves and create and build and continue to go to food places and make food for people, and keep doing your stuff. Just study, learn, and just be kind, but actually be kind and be nice to people. And there's no need for gossip or to talk silly stuff about people. that don't deserve it. So you just need to just be good, get educated. The more education, the better. Keep learning, lifelong learning, and don't raise vegetables. If something's a vegetable, then do the right thing. So raise. So if you're gardening, make good vegetables, not bad ones. All right. Thank you. Bye.